What to do if your battery drains quickly on your Android smartphone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you a way on what you can do if your battery drains pretty much quickly on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the reason the Android phone actually uses up much battery is due to the apps that are constantly running in the background, or due to high notification sound, due to light themes and so on. There are a couple of ways to fix that. So first of all, you have to go ahead and then simply open up your settings on your Android. Once you open up settings, nowadays every Android phone has the optimization feature to actually optimize their battery. So I will go ahead and then select the option called battery right over here. As you can see, I'll tap on the battery button and you'll be able to see 81% charge with no issues found, and you also have the estimated time until when this battery charge is going to remain. There are a couple of things you can do. First of all, you could simply tap on optimize or the save power button depending upon your Android phone's operating system, and you can see no issues found. However, if there are some types of apps that constantly run in the background, it is going to occupy a lot of space. The other thing you can do is simply turn on power saving mode or super power saving mode in order to actually save a lot of battery for your Android smartphone. So you can do that as well. You can also see it says app battery management, so you could tap on it and then see what kind of apps are occupying batteries, and you can see allow auto launch, allow background activity, and so on. Else you can also actually simply come back and then simply select phone battery usage to see how much battery your phone itself is taking, which apps are occupying more batteries on your smartphone. Hopefully this would have fixed it. The other thing you can also do is you can see power save options, quick freeze, screen battery optimization. You can select the screen time options, for example, so many options as well. The other thing you can do is, in order to save battery, you can actually use the dark theme of your Android smartphone instead of using the light theme. For example, if you switch to the light theme usually consumes more battery on your phone. So in that case, what I suggest you to do is to simply switch to the darker theme if you're on light theme, and if your phone supports darker theme. Hopefully one of these would have fixed your issue. If you still have that issue, then what you could do is you could take it to a nearby repair shop. It could also simply mean that sometimes your Android phone is simply asking you to replace your battery. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.